Understanding tax deductions, credits, and withholding. Taxes affect nearly everyone, yet the systems behind them are often misunderstood. Each year, people file tax returns to reconcile how much tax was paid during the year with how much tax was actually owed. This process is based on legal definitions, reporting rules, and calculations rather than personal judgment. Understanding how tax systems work helps explain why tax outcomes differ from person to person and why results can change from year to year. A central concept in taxation is taxable income. Taxable income is not the same as total income. It is the portion of income that remains after certain adjustments and deductions are applied. Taxes are calculated using this adjusted amount, not the original gross earnings. Deductions play a major role in this calculation. A tax deduction reduces the amount of income that is subject to tax. Deductions exist because tax systems recognize that some expenses are connected to earning income or meeting specific legal conditions. Many people use the standard deduction. The standard deduction is a fixed amount that reduces taxable income without requiring individual expenses to be listed. Other filers use itemized deductions. Itemized deductions are based on specific qualifying expenses that meet defined criteria. Only one deduction method is applied on a return, not both. Another commonly discussed concept during tax season is tax credits. Tax credits differ from deductions in how they affect taxes. While deductions reduce taxable income, credits reduce the amount of tax owed after calculations are complete. Some credits reduce tax liability dollar for dollar. Others are limited by income thresholds, filing status, or eligibility rules defined by law. Income type also affects how taxes are handled. W-2 income usually has taxes withheld automatically by employers. These withholdings are estimates based on payroll tables and information provided on tax forms. Other income types, such as self-employment or contract income, often do not have automatic withholding. In those cases, taxes are calculated later when a return is filed. This difference in timing explains why some people receive refunds while others owe taxes at filing time. Expenses related to earning income are another major area of tax discussion. Tax systems generally distinguish between personal expenses and business-related expenses. Only certain expenses that meet legal definitions may reduce taxable income. Documentation plays a key role in this process. Records are used to show that expenses qualify under tax rules and were incurred for allowable purposes. Home-related tax rules are also widely misunderstood. Some tax systems allow deductions related to working from home under specific conditions. These rules usually focus on regular and exclusive use of a defined space for income-producing activity. Only a portion of certain household expenses may apply. Calculations are based on formulas that allocate costs rather than applying full amounts. Tax outcomes can also change due to life events. Changes in income, family size, education expenses, or filing status can all affect tax calculations. Even small adjustments can alter deductions, credits, or withholding amounts. Filing accuracy is another important factor. Tax systems rely on reported information from multiple sources. Missing income, incorrect figures, or mismatched forms can change results or delay processing. At a system level, taxes are calculated by combining income, adjustments, deductions, and credits according to rules in effect for that year. Outcomes are determined by how these components interact within the tax framework. Understanding these mechanics helps explain why tax advice often focuses on definitions, eligibility, and documentation rather than guarantees. This overview explains how tax advice topics are commonly discussed by focusing on how tax systems function rather than individual circumstances or outcomes. This content is for educational purposes only and does not provide tax advice. Subscribe for more finance facts